grade 5. Today I am going to explain about digestive system. Digestive system helps us to convert food into nutrients and removes waste material from our body. The internal organs of digestive systems are mouth, salivary glands, liver, esophagus, stomach, pancreas, liver, gallbladder, large intestine, small intestine, rectum, anus. Now I am going to explain about digestive system. We eat food through mouth. We chew the food with teeth. The saliva makes the food soft. After that, the food goes through the esophagus to stomach. The food stays in stomach to 4 hours and mixed by acids and killed by germs. After that, the food goes to small intestine. There, the food, minerals and nutrients are absorbed. After the wastage of food goes through large intestine. There, the water is absorbed and that goes to anus. This is the process of digestive system. Thank you.
Hello, ma'ams and sirs. My name is Vajodriman from 5th class in International Delhi Public School at Srikakulam. Today I am explaining layers of earth. I have example of egg. This is the crust. There are 3 layers. What are they? Yes, crust, mantle, core. Core divided into 2 parts. They are inner core and outer core. Crust, like this. Crust is the outermost layer of the earth. It has mountains, plains and oceans. It is very thin. It is hard plates together, joined together. Mantle. It is mantle, like this. Mantle have most of the volume is in the mantle. It is hot. If we will dig deeper, hot liquid will be there. What is that hot liquid? Yes, it is the magma. Core. Core have 2 parts, na? Outer core. This is the outer core. This is white part, na? This is inner core. Outer core. Outer core is a hot liquid. It has thickness of 2250 kilometers. It is temperature of more than 5000 degrees. This is inner core. This is the inner core. Inner core is the hot solid ball. It has thickness of 1250 kilometers and it has more temperature than all layers. It has more than 6000 temperature degrees. Bye, ma'ams and bye, sirs.
Good morning, one and all. My name is Srinisa. I am studying in 5th standard DPS Srikakulam. Today, I am going to explain about skeleton system. Skeleton system is a collection of bones arranged together to form a certain shape and structure to our body. At the time of birth, there are 270 bones, but some bones get fused together. In an adult's body, there are 206 bones. Without the bony framework, we will probably look like a jellyfish. Skull. Skull is made up of 22 bones. The lower jaw, which is present in the skull, which is also called mandible, is movable. This skull protects important organs like brain, eyes and hearing organs. Backbone. Backbone is made up of 33 small bones called vertebra. They form a column called vertebral column. The vertebral column connects our upper body to our lower body. The backbone supports the entire body, hence it is the important set of bones. The vertebral column is hollow and the spinal cord passes through them. Rib cage. Rib cage is a cage-like structure starting from the shoulders and ending at the waist. Rib cage is made up of 12 pairs of ribs. These ribs are attached to the sternum in front and backbone at the back. But the last two pairs of ribs are only attached to the backbone and not to the sternum. The rib cage protects important organs like lungs and heart. Limbs. There are two kinds of limbs, forelimbs and hind limbs. Forelimbs. Forelimbs arms are also known as forelimbs. They start from the shoulder and at their end they have hand and fingers. Legs are also known as hind limbs. At their ends they have foot and toes. Joints. Many of the bones connect at the joints. The two examples of joints are ball and socket joint and hinge joint. Ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joint consists of two types. One is shaped like a ball and another one is shaped like a cup. The ball fits in the cup and moves in all directions, front and back, left and right. The second one is the hinge joint. Hinge joint consists of two types. One is shaped like a hollow cylinder and another one is shaped like a rounded cylinder. The rounded cylinder fits in the hollow cylinder and moves in backward direction. Did you know the only bone which is not connected to the whole skeleton is the hyoid bone? It lies at the root of our tongue. Thank you for giving me a great opportunity.
Hello everyone, my name is Wahin. I am studying 5th standard in Delhi Public School, Srikakulam. My topic is layers of earth. We know that the earth is like a round ball and has water bodies like lakes, oceans and rivers. We see only the top layer, but we go deeper, it has other layers. Each layer of the earth is of a different thickness. There are 3 layers under the surface of the earth. The first layer is crust. The second layer is mantle. The third layer is core. Core is divided into 2 parts. The first is outer core and second one is inner core. Properties of layers of earth. The first layer of the earth is crust. Outermost layer is called crust and has mountains, plains, oceans. It extends 30 to 50 km under soil, 6 to 15 km under oceans. The second layer of the earth is mantle. Most of the volume of the earth is mantle. Near the crust, it is very hard, but as we go deeper, it is a hot liquid called magma. Its temperature is more than 4000 degrees centigrade. It starts from 50 km depth and goes down 2900 km below the crust. Core. Core is the innermost layer of the earth. It is extremely hot but divided into 2 parts. The first part is outer core. Outer core is a part near the mantle. Its thickness is 2200 km and its temperature is 5000 degree centigrade. And inner core. Inner core is a hot solid ball inside outer core. Its thickness is 1250 km and its temperature is 6000 degree centigrade. Thank you.